All right, it is time. We are going to lower this guy. We're at Mark Motors, Porsche, and we're gonna try and lower this a little bit. Okay, so the front axle lift is on, so let's maybe turn that down. Hoo-yah. You gotta put it in drive, close the door, and then okay, so the tricky thing about this, you gotta close the door, make sure the parking brake's not on, and then press this. Okay, now let's go check it out. All right, so we've got about a 2-finger sort of gap. If we can reduce it to like a 1-finger gap, that would be awesome. So about a 1/2 inch is what we're thinking, but we'll see. The rear, maybe that'll go like a 1/4 inch down a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see what the tech says. All right, the car is here at Mark Motors. The tech is gonna take the car in, and he's gonna allow me to get into the shop. It's gonna get it on the hoist, and we're gonna sort of discuss how much lowering we can get out of it, and we're also going to do corner balancing and an alignment on it, mainly because it could upset the overall balance of the car and the tires, the tire wear in general. So we're going to try and get all that done today as well. It's going to be like an $800 type job, but it's going to be worth it. Okay, car's on the lift. Yeah, check it out. The adjustability that we have is about a 1/4. Amazing. Thank you, Matt. No problem. And then the rear is about the same, eh? Actually, there's a lot more in the rear.
Yeah, I think it's just the shock design. There's no axle lift on the rear.
Ah, that would be hilarious. That's awesome. Well, thank you very much. I guess we'll get to it and then...
Yeah, we'll get it set up.
Awesome, thank you. Rob? As you saw, the front axle lift sort of limits how much we can lower the car. So we're gonna do the best we can. We get about a 1/4 inch drop, which is gonna be all right, I think. A 1/4 inch drop on that will look pretty nice. So we're gonna slam it both the front and the back, and we'll check it out. So he's gonna give me a shout once he's done the front. We'll do a quick drive around the parking lot, make sure it's not rubbing, do full lock to lock, and yeah, 1/4 inch front, 1/4 inch back, and that's about the max we'll do. Super excited. Let's go check it out after he's done. It's looking good. 1/4 inch all the way around. It's maintaining the stock rake of the car all the way around. This is as far as we can go with the stock coils on the front. We may have to do something else about it, but this is it. Because of the front axle lift, it limits the amount of adjustability we get. The rear is slammed. Holy smokes. Yeah, it's gonna be fun driving this around. We'll see how it goes. It's not bad. I like it. Barely can fit a finger through, at an angle of course, but straight through, not. And this used to be a 2-finger thing, now can do that, now 1 finger. So yeah, 1/4 inch drop, not bad at all. There you have it. The car is now lowered. Thank you very much, Matt at Mark Motors Porsche. And the plan is to go drive this car around for a couple of weeks till the next time they're able to bring the car back in. So the car's been lowered. We didn't do a corner balance and we didn't do the alignment yet. It's a 1/4 inch drop, so it's not very significant to kind of notice a big difference, I guess, on street and my style of driving. So we're gonna wait it out. We're gonna drive around, see if it's rubbing anywhere, decide if we want to raise the car a little bit, or you know, we can't really lower the car anymore, but raising the rear end is one thing that we may consider. But yeah, so we're going to drive around and then we're going to schedule in to get the corner balancing and the alignment done sometime later on in a few weeks or so. So it looks good. Let me know what you all think. I don't know why I didn't do this early on, but it's done now. Because this car is already engineered so well, any minor changes to the overall dynamics of the car could upset the car on these high-speed driving scenarios like being on track and whatnot. So we're gonna try and limit a lot of that until the alignment and the corner balancing is done as well. But I mean, it's not gonna prevent me from driving to coffee and doing a couple of like occasional lapping days. Yeah, it may cause a little bit of uneven tire wear, but I mean, as soon as we adjust it, get the alignment done, get the corner balancing done, drive it again, the tires will be all right as well, I think. Either way, for my style of driving, it's just fine. Let's go park this, get all the paperwork done, and then we'll call it a day. That's it, everyone. We're back home. The car is lowered, it's looking good. It had a little bit of an oversteer tendency on my drive back here on the highways and stuff. That's mainly because of that little bit of toe out. Because we lowered the car, but we didn't do the alignment or corner balancing. So just a tad, ever so little, you notice it. It's not bad at all. Otherwise, the car drives amazing, just like what it was. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel as well if you want to see more content like this, and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I upload more things. Thank you all, and I'll see you all next time when we go do the corner balancing and alignment on the car.